Hi guys, Thomas here, TpParts RcXtreme. New TalkABOUT video about the ARRMA Tsaagan 6S BLX 112th 4-wheel drive truck by TpParts RcXtreme. So, what is this? Well, it's my latest creation. Handmade, custom made bottom chassis plate. So you can see here, no CNC or CAD or whatsoever, all measure, marked, drilled, cutting tool, Dremel, sanding, file, etc, etc. The only real tool that I use was a sheet metal plate bending tool, like an industrial one, to get the front kick up here. All the holes are countersunk, so it's just to move everything over from the donor car, which are a Typhon 6S BLX V3. It's a bit narrow, the chassis, not too much. Adjusted to fit the new lipo tray, the second generation one. Another thing that I did to get the right proportion is to lower the rear wing mount and shorten it. I hope you can see it here. Yeah. And using top deck. I don't want to use tower to tower brace. As you can see, the speedo needs to be up there. Did a bracket for it so it's mounted on a plate and can easily be removed and access to the center diff. So this top deck is 2.5mm carbon fiber. It is splitted where you mount the speedo and the receiver tray is mounted in the top front. So of course the center of gravity, it's added a bit, but too little to be affected on a bashing point of view. The front body mount from the ARRMA Tsaagan 6S, adjusted to fit. And another thing, as you can see, the shape of the front tower. Now, there are 3 holes on the top, on each side, front and rear. As you can see, I only have 2. I not redesigned them and made new, but did some shaving here and there to get the body as low as possible to fit, and it went out actually quite good, if I may say so myself. And the rear, there are some TRX for Emax. I think that was the only one that I had for rear body mount. I normally use Outcast or Talion V3, but you take what you have at home. So the diff setup on this one is 5K in the rear. In the middle I'm running 80K, and in the front I'm running 60K. And the caster is, no, let's see, there's the smallest washer in the rear, yeah. And the shock setup, front and rear, are stock. I haven't touched them. I think it's 550 or 500 in them. I'm gonna check the manual later. And the ride height when the lipos are mounted are just about above level. Another thing, let's see if I can get them off here. So now I'm gonna see. On all four corners running the Kraton, the version 1 hex, which means I had to change the wheel axles, and I'm running a CVD in the rear. Hope you can see that, and they're working flawless. These are actually the old ones from the Siren. Have new ones on order, so I'm running Talion 6S hexes and wheel axles on the Siren, but it's working good with a half-inch offset of the F11 rims that I'm using, so it's still okay. So if you're wondering anything, have any question, how or why, etc., just comment down below. If you have not subscribed yet, do please, and don't forget the notification bell. So I'm really stoked about this one. I have 3 sessions with it. The last one was over 12-minute video, and it's working flawless. So there we have the rear Centreshaft, custom made and welded by my friend Joel. Removed the amount that I needed to cut away, and drilled a stainless steel rod, I think it's 5mm, and using 10 of them, and welded, sanded, polished, and so far they're working awesome in the rear, and I'm not sure if you can see that in the front. No, you can't. They're doing the job awesome. So and they're running 16-tooth pinion, max punch. It's an animal, if I may say so. So that's it for now. Until next time, bye.